What's up, guys? I played this game at an old train station in Ikopo during early 2018. I thought that maybe my footage would be interesting, so I decided to share it with you guys. And as you can see, the terrain is both interesting and unusual. The action was red hot. This player is in my team. He is unaware that I'm covering him, and he's also unaware of the danger that lurks at his 3 o'clock. I have to make this shot through a very narrow aperture. Gotcha. In slow-mo. Gotcha. All these shots were taken from this position. This player from the green team has sneaked up behind us. At first he doesn't see me lurking in the shade, my barrel no more than 3 meters away from him. Note his response when he does see me. He very sportingly called the shot and retired. From this hidden position I can see that the green team is being pushed back to their spawn point. The players from the green team are desperately trying to take cover, but they are in trouble. This shot was taken at approximately 70 meters. A firefight is taking place around the caravan. Note the player on the right hand side who hides behind the corner of the caravan. Gotcha. Now the player on the left, who is very much aggressively involved. Gotcha. The following shots were taken from this position. This player believes that he is out of range. Gotcha. The green team takes cover behind this gadget, but see how their heads go down when I hit the plate that they are using for cover. Heads down. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the field.